Hi, Angelica. This is Brother Dale Moss. I'm here with your resume part one assignment. Um, what I did first, I made some notes on your thing. As you can see on the screen, you can refer to it when you open up your assignment and look at the comments for this. A couple things here. Your name is great, email address, LinkedIn, and phone number as far as font and size. Avid artist, maybe I would capitalize artist a little bit, and then the G in graphic and designer to make it because it's a headline, and you want to make it so it sticks out and is bold for you. And then you have your sub headline, which is really good. I like that one. And now we're going to talk about your summary and your skills, which have some interrelated scenarios that will help you out here that I want to share with you. As I highlight here, there's a couple words in your summary that are highlighted in yellow, which are what I saw in your job post, and they're also here. It's encouraged strongly that you, in your summary, use these words that are from the job posting because, again, going back to what the lesson said about the 6 second window that you have to be able to want your reader to be able to interview you and want to read more about you and your experiences. Okay, so that's what has to do with your skills. And I didn't see you. I see these two only, and then the ones highlighted in orange here in your skills are also ones that were there, but the rest of them are not. So I would be a little more creative and going back to your job posting and looking if there's some skills that you have that you just didn't think about wording it that way that you would put in here instead. Not that I'm saying that these skills aren't bad or that your summary is bad. It's just a good start. It's a really hard thing to do, especially the summary. I struggle with it, and I still am struggling with it as far as finding out what I need to put in here within a few sentences. Remember, this needs to only be about 3 to 4 sentences long. I made a note here about the 5 years of experience. You could put that as your subtitle or subheadline as well if you wanted to. Okay. There's a couple of things in here that you need to put a period in some places. That makes these a little bit better as far as making the flow and your English sound better. But then that would create too many sentences for this section. So please look at that. Now, in regards to the summary is right. I made a note, and and you can go back and look in the lesson. It says that your summary that are good from your job posting or you're using the summary is meant to highlight your best skills, as well as a concrete example or two of what you've done, and using the words that are from your job posting. Okay. The other part is it is important that the use of words and phrases directly from there. I told that whole thing too for you. Same thing with your skills. There's not very many key skills or key words in here that you need to use. I would again go back and look and use the ones that they have for you because that's what they're looking for. Okay, so I will accept this as far as going back and redoing this and resubmitting it again for this week 2 assignment, so that you can get a better score for it. If you have any questions or concerns, put a message on your assignment, or email me or message me through Canvas if you want to. Okay, so if you you're doing a great job. We just say it's never good. I shouldn't say not good. It's always better to learn from this and make it a better scenario from what you've already done. Okay, all right. Thank you. You did a great job. Keep it up. And let me know if you need any help.